Small towns across the U.S. are resurgent. Or perhaps I've merely rediscovered the joy of real communities with authentic, not just virtual interactions. In small communities all over this country, I've noticed that diverse groups of people of varying cultures, ethnic backgrounds, religions, and political outlooks not only get along, they honestly seem to enjoy each other's company. Flipping a well-worn cliche, if I may, you might call historic downtown Sanford in Central Florida a small fish in a relatively large pond as visitors from around the globe descend on nearby Orlando annually. But something big is happening in this little town just a half hour or so north of the famous destination. Savvy travelers are discovering what the locals call Sanfording, or what I like to call the Sanford Stroll. Simply taking in the sights, taste, and community that is historic downtown Sanford. Come with us as we amble along, basking in the glow of the food, drink, music, and friendly laid-back vibe of historic downtown Sanford. It's time for Raw Travel, so let's go Sanfording.
Travel. For some, it's a luxurious escape, or maybe an adrenaline-filled adventure. But if you're like me, it's a precious opportunity to discover and to give back. It's time to get real. It's time to get raw. It's time for Raw Travel.